Uzingoma tikumandana kamnanga mesul soli waturanga mai valle mai buana ranandi randini viti ke Britania soli ba ngolaitu yani nakunwa turango viti. Your Royal Highness, on behalf of all the people of the independent Dominion of Fiji, I accept these constitutional documents with sincere gratitude and humble pride. I thank you most sincerely for the gracious message you have brought to us from Her Majesty the Queen. Our links with the British Crown are long and treasured ones, and we all have affectionate and happy memories of Her Majesty's visits and of those of other members of the royal family over the years. We look forward to maintaining and strengthening these links and send warm greetings to Her Majesty. Nothing that is happening today can change the warm feelings of our people of Fiji for the Crown, the United Kingdom, and its peoples. We have been too closely associated over the years, in good times and bad. And from the very outset of our steps on the path of independence, we have been firmly set on joining the Commonwealth. But today is a proud day for us all. For today we assume the control of our own destinies and take on full adult responsibilities after a long period of tutelage. But we do not only take the responsibility for ourselves, we take it on for each other. We are a community of races with different cultures, customs, and languages. But the things that unite us far outnumber those in which we differ. Above all, there is our fixed joint determination to build a strong, united Fiji, rich in its diversity and tempered with tolerance, goodwill, and understanding. Given a happy continuance of these conditions, and we must all contribute positively to them, I am confident that Fiji can show the world an example of harmony and progress out of all proportions to its size. And as we enter this new era, I pray for God's guidance and blessing on the independent Dominion of Fiji and all our people.
Dedicate this flag, symbol of our new nation and its bonds of unity and purpose. Grant that this flag may ever be a reminder of the bonds that unite us and the duty of loyalty we owe. With a steadfast endeavor, may it seek the good of all, and may justice and mercy ever dwell amongst us. Hear now our prayer, and enlighten our minds by the truth that set us free from fear. Amen.
Amen.